previous episode of Garageless. Just kidding. You ever watch Shameless? I like that show. It's crazy. Yeah, I wish I could do an intro like them. Next video is on something you probably already know I like, but I had to do another video on another one. So yeah, stay tuned and click the little, before I even bend the camera down, click the little subscribe button, click the little button over here, leave a comment, and join the channel. I got 396 people as of now. Probably when I upload this, there'll be like maybe 4 more. And so yeah, you stay tuned. I'm always buying more stuff. I mean, who the hell? I mean, life goals, right? Have every vice grip in the world. My life goal. There we go. All right, what's this? It's over here. Seen it in the last video. This, hey, look at that. This is a Wizard long grip HR 1205. It's a Wizard. Honestly, this Wizard looks exactly like, is this one? Not the Samson. Does not look like the Samson. It looks like the, is it this one? Come on. It looks, wait, is it Seymour one? Where the hell is it? It looks like one of my other ones here. Yeah, Seymour Smith. It looks like an early version of a Seymour one. See, because it just is too similar. But wait, anyway, forget about this one. This one is, let me turn the light on here. I can show you. See the Wizard? This actually feels really cool. Like it's, I don't know, it's got little dots in there. I guess somebody put their name in it or something. Wrecked it by writing their name in tools. Something engraved in here. Like, I don't even want to like touch this. It's like, you know when it has that feel? Like the regular vice grips. This one feels like aluminum, to be honest. This, what was it? Whale tool one. And this one has that like ultra smooth Seymour Smith snap lock one, which is impossible to unsnap. And what's the other one here? Oh, this one right here. This is a Samson. Is it the Samson? Yeah, it kind of feels like a Samson wrench. Only they modified it, like they burned the jaws into it. See, it's, I don't know if you can see this. See this here? There's this. It looks very, very similar to this. And it looks like they just got rid of this and welded it in there. There's a little hole here. There's one thing here. Very, very peculiar. It looks like the early stages of vice grip going on here. And there's all kinds of, is it a power grip one? Maybe this one. Is it like this one? Power grip? Ooh, we're getting close here. Almost like power grip. Yeah. Except the Wizard has a third one here. Has a top one. It's the Wizard! So yeah. So anyway, that's what I got here. Wizard one. I didn't pay a lot for it. I like the feel though. It really does feel, look, see, it's got a nice finish on it. Unlike this one, which looks like it's been in the ground for 40 years. This one's a little bit battered and tattered, but works. This one's got rust all over it. So if you like locking pliers, or you have weird ones, let me know. I want them. I don't use them all like at once, but they're it opens pretty big too. 4-minute video on a pair of pliers. Ta-da! So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do the whole dance.